Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the second exercise of chapter 10. This is the car class exercise. This exercise says that write a class named car that has the following data attributes. It will contain three attributes: year, model, make for the make of the car like Honda, Toyota, etc. Speed for the current speed. The car class should have an init method that is the constructor of the class that accepts the car year, model and make as an argument. These values should be assigned to the object year, model and make data attributes. It should also assign 0 to the speed data attribute. The class should have the following methods. This class will contain three methods. Accelerate method. The accelerate method should add 5 to the speed data attribute each time it is called. Next is the break method. The break method should subtract 5 from the speed data attribute each time it is called. And third is the get speed. The get speed method should return the current speed of the car. And at the end, design a program that creates a car object, then calls the accelerate method 5 times. After each call to the accelerate method, get the current speed of the car and display it. Then call the brake method 5 times. After each call to the brake method, get the current speed of the car and display it. Let's write the program. So first of all, create a car class car, and in this class, first of all, create a constructor to initialize car year, model, make and speed. So def init, it is the constructor of the class year, model, make and speed will get as argument. This constructor will get these three arguments and will set private attribute to these values. Self dot underscore year, model. This double score before the attribute name indicate that attribute is private and cannot be accessed outside of the class. Self dot underscore make, set this equal make argument. Similarly, self dot speed, and according to the exercise, set the speed to 0. So self dot speed is equal to 0. This is the constructor of the class. After the constructor, define a method to accelerate the car. So create a method def accelerate, and in this method add the 5 to the speed of the car. So self dot make this private. Set speed of the car plus equal 5. Similarly, define a method to apply the brake. decrease the speed by 5 times. So def brake, and in this method, first check if the speed is greater than is equal to 5. It means that if speed is less than 5 and we apply the brake and 5 is decreases, then it may become the negative, but speed cannot be negative. So if self dot speed greater than is equal to 5, then self dot speed minus equal 5. Else the speed is less than 5, then if brake is applied, self dot speed is equal to 0. This if else statement ensures that speed does not go below the 0. After the brake method, define a method to get the speed of the car. So def get speed, and in this function return the speed attribute. Return self dot speed. This is the getter method for speed. Getter, or you can see assessor method for speed. After this, write the main program as we have created the class car which contain the constructor which will start the three attributes year, model, make and speed. Then it contain a method accelerate that will add 5 to the speed each time this method is called, and there is another method brake that will decrease the speed by 5, and one getter method for the speed is that will return the speed of the car. First of all, define main function, and in main function create a car object with year, model and make. So car create, you can name the car Civic, and set this equal car model 2024 and maker iska, and the maker of the car is Honda. After creating the car object Civic, which model is 2024 and maker is Honda, accelerate the car 5 times. So first print accelerating the car, And after this we have to accelerate the car 5 times, so we will use the loop for I in range. You can say 1 comma 6. This will iterate 5 times, 1 to 5, 6 is not included. And in this loop civic dot accelerate, this loop will accelerate the car 5 times, and at each iteration print the speed of the car. So print speed of the car, or you can say current speed of the car is so you can say current speed of the car after acceleration. You can give the acceleration number at each iteration. After the acceleration I, which is the iteration number, also the acceleration number. Value returned by the getSpeed method. Civic dot getSpeed. After this, apply the brake 5 times. So create another for loop for first display applying the brake. Print apply the brake 5 times. Now create for loop for I in range 1 comma 6. Civic dot brake. Similarly, display the current speed of car at each iteration. Copy this line of code. Or you can write print current speed of car after the brake. You can give the brake number, that is I, and get the speed of car civic dot get speed. That will display the speed of the car after each brake. And at the end, call the main function to start the execution of the program. Now let's run the program. There is an error. Here type the Honda as a string. Now run the program. Type error, car takes no argument. Here is a typing mistake in the init Now run the program and you can see it displayed accelerating the car, current speed of car after first acceleration. Sorry, here make some change. Here type current speed of car after I acceleration, and similarly the speed of car after the I brake. At each iteration it will indicate that the first brake, second brake, third brake. Now run the program and here you can see current speed of car after first acceleration, current speed of car after second, third and fourth acceleration is displayed, and after this current speed of car after the first brake, second brake, third, fourth and fifth brake is displayed.